Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. This is some recovery cream, also is an anti-aging. So right here we have some cream. This one here has been viral on TikTok for over 25+ million views. This is called Simplyvital. It is collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, deep moisturizer and nourishment. It is great for in your 30s, 40s, and 50s and beyond. So your skin deserves a look of gorgeous. So this is very soft and smooth. I like the fact that it does offer a top that is super easy to remove the cream. You just pop this off. So you turn this, actually you don't even turn it, you just push that down, but I'm going to open up the container itself. So the container is going to show you the cream, so you don't have to worry about any smell to this. This does not have any perfumes or dyes in it. This one does not smell of anything. It's just like regular lotion. It is super easy to use. You just take off the lid, access the button, press it several times for a cream to fill the mechanism to come out on the top. Then you would just use your finger, required amount of cream from the center of the top, and then you just put it on your face. You don't have to try to unscrew the jar to get the cream out, which is a great thing. All you got to do is push it on the top, and that should automatically remove the cream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I use it and then how I remove the cream, which we're going to do it right now. So right now I got the cream right here. I'm going to remove the top, which I've already removed the top. So you're just going to push this down. So you push it down like this, and you just do it as much as you need. I only need about that much. Just take a little dab of your finger and just go all around your face, around your eyes, forehead, your nose, your cheeks, and your chin. And I guarantee you this feels super silky, soft, and smooth. I actually did get a red light therapy wand, so that's what I'm going to do after I put on my cream. So I'm just going to go all the way around my eyes and face again. Make sure that I've got enough around my face because I'm going to use my red light therapy wand. This one here is super nice. I like the fact that it's got no smell. So if you're allergic to any kind of perfumes, this does not have any. So and then I have my top right here. I'm just going to top it off, and then I have my red light therapy, and I'm just going to go around my face. So this cream does have collagen, retinol, 3%, hyaluronic acid, which intends have vitamin E, avocado oil, and jojoba oil. So these are great for soothing out the skin. So my red light, I'm just going around my face, getting all the areas that I use the cream on. I like the fact that the cream is not too thick and it doesn't feel like a cake on your face. It is really nice and soothed. It's soft. There is no smell to it. So if you are allergic to any perfuming, this does not have any perfume in it. So it just has no smell at all. It does not irritate. It feels nice. It doesn't leave your skin all greasy and feeling like a big old blob. I like it because it works with my red light therapy and I have no after effect. So if you're looking for a nice facial cream that works on all skin types, I would highly recommend checking this one out.